Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. We are taking a quick look at BTC or Bitcoin here, as you can see on the daily time frame. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe and get involved in the channel. So as we can see here, Bitcoin looking like it has stalled out at around this 35k level here, as you can see. People are talking about potential imminent news of an ETF being approved for Bitcoin, which would obviously be pretty ridiculous. But right now, as of the current situation, we have just been kind of coiling and going sideways here for Bitcoin. If I'm being completely honest, I do think that this chart is looking quite toppy, and in reality we're probably going to see ourselves heading down and retesting that previous level at some point. Obviously we could continue high here and smash right up into the 618 Fibonacci up around that 39k level, which would be absolutely ridiculous. But overall I do think that Bitcoin is essentially just stalling out at this current level and trying to decide what's going to happen next. You can see we've got quite a few catalysts on the way in the market in terms of those ETFs being approved. There are so many ETFs on the cards now, it seems like only a matter of time until one is approved. Obviously it's going to be very interesting to see how that affects the next bull market as well. But right now, from a technical perspective, Bitcoin is essentially chopping sideways and stalling out like this, isn't it? And we are just waiting and seeing what's going to happen next. Overall, I do think that we are going to do very well indeed in the long term. In the short term, I do think some retracement is probably the most likely outcome in my opinion, considering how overextended we are on the RSI here as well. Very overextended indeed. But it's going to be interesting to see what happens next for Bitcoin in this area, if it just continues to go sideways or if we do get that retracement. Overall, I'd be looking for a retracement down back to around 35, that 31.5k level before continuation. That's the way you can see I've got my long position. But right now, things are just chilling out, waiting to see what happens next. As always, really appreciate you being here. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.